Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting feature that will enhance your privacy on WhatsApp. How to lock your chats with a secret code. With the increasing importance of data security, it's crucial to have control over who can see your private conversations. So let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open up your WhatsApp application. Next, take a moment to swipe down on your chat page. You might be surprised, but this simple action unveils a hidden gem. The locked chat icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you see it, you'll need to authenticate your identity. This could be done by scanning your fingerprint or entering your password depending on your device settings. Now, look toward the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots. This will open a drop-down menu where the next step awaits. Find and select Chat Lock Settings. This is where you can set the parameters for locking your chats. Moving on. Tap the option that says Secret Code. This is your chance to customize how you'll protect your conversations. Finally, it's time to enter your unique code. Once you've input your secret code, tap Next to finalize the process. And just like that, you have successfully locked your WhatsApp chats with a secret code. Your private messages are now safeguarded. With this new level of security, you can chat more confidently, knowing that your information is away from prying eyes. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.